Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create real account on Metatrader 5. First thing, visit your broker's website and click login at the top of the homepage. Enter your email and password to access the secure client area. Now, if you're not yet a client, click join now or sign up. Fill in your personal information and submit the form. Account creation takes under 5 minutes. Now, inside the client area, go to the account section. Click the live tab or sub tab and select create an account to begin your live trading setup. When prompt, choose Metatrader 5 as the platform type and set your preferred account type, leverage, and base currency. Now enter a secure password in both input boxes and make sure it's strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols, then click submit to complete the account creation process. Now your MT5 live account is created. You can download it on PC, mobile, or web. Log in using your account credentials and start funding and trading. And that's it, guys.